Friends, today I am going to show how to use breadboard. Here you can see there's a small holes in the breadboard. This breadboard have 128 holes. There's a specification 128 group of 5 connectors terminal and 8 bus of 25 connected terminals. So here we put two LEDs in a parallel. So if we apply a voltage, then the voltage is equally distributed in both two LEDs. Here we have a battery. Basically this is a mobile battery which has this LED is glowing. Make sure LEDs work on forward bias, so the negative terminal connected to the battery's negative terminal and positive terminal should connect to the battery's positive terminal.